How to fix Gboard new emojis not showing. So if you want to fix Gboard new emojis not showing, then what you need to do is first check your internet connection. Once you check your internet connection, you just need to go for the Play Store. Once on the Play Store, go for the search, and under search you need to search for Gboard. Once you search for Gboard, here you will have the Gboard application, right? So if you have any updates under the Gboard, you just need to go for update and update your application. Once you've updated, your problem will be fixed. But if you have not updated, or if you don't have the updated version, then you just need to simply go for settings. Under settings, you need to go for apps, scroll down, tap on apps, and go for see all apps. And here you need to simply go for the search, which is on the upper side, and then search for Gboard, and here you will have the application, right? And once you have the application, you just need to go for storage and cache and tap on clear cache. Once you've cleared your cache, now you can also go for clear storage and clear your storage. Once you've cleared your storage and cache, now you need to go back, and you just need to press and hold on to that power button, and here you will have restart option. Simply restart your device and your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix your Gboard new emojis not showing. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.